Hi there, welcome back to another tutorial. In that tutorial, we're just gonna learning something really special and informative class. So, if you have any kind of portrait image and if you want to make it into landscape, so how to do that? If you have image like this, so you have this object, you have the person in here, but if you want to make it a landscape mode, this size will be lost. So how to do that? So it's really easier thought. So in that how, so we have this, we have to make like this. So that's really easy technique. You can see this, we have the perfect dimensions and the character also in a fine mode. So how to do that? So very first, so you have to unlock the layer, just select it and just unlock it, and quick selection tools it and make it like wider, just like this. In here we have to make it a perfect dimension like this. In this place you have see this here, when you just click it, we have some magic wand tools and quick selection tool, but we are going to select object selection tools. Again I told that, what is that? Object selection tool. And just click it, the object selection tools, and select all those areas or the object you want to select. Just mark it and it will be marked it automatically. So it will be selected, automatically selected. Then you have to go to this option that's known as channel. Just go to channel and in here, so just click in here and you get alpha 1 activated layer. And when you just get this alpha layer activated, just deselect it, then go to edit and content awareness scale. Content awareness scale, when you just go to content awareness scale, in here press your shift and make it wider. And if you see this object is like squeeze it, it's not look good and it's not perfectly dimension. So if I zoom it, just you can see this. So if it's not perfectly dimensioned, so what to do in here, just remind that don't place the enter. So when you just doing it, just select it and make it bigger, and then go to in here. Now you will have to select the alpha, you have to select the alpha again. Don't deselect it, just remind it, you have to select this one and just go to the alpha. When you just click the alpha, it will be automatically perfectly done your object, your main character. So this how, in that's how you can easily make it any kind of portrait photo to landscape mode. This is really special, and I must suggest, if you have any kind of a question and any kind of you want to learning, so you just comment down below. And if you want to learning Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Animate, all the tutorial is available here and everything is free. And thank you so much, thank you for your valuable time, thank you so much.